Hi, how are you today? Welcome to What's in Your Blender. And no, seriously, I really want to know what is in your blender. So I'd like to share with you a challenge that I will be starting, and I'll be making another video about it. So basically today I want to share with you healthy eating and actually cutting out carbs and processed foods. So when I say carbs, I don't mean like fruit and some like green vegetables. I'm more referring to pastas, rice, processed foods. Thank you for joining. So today we're gonna make a delicious breakfast smoothie that'll give us energy, it's good for us, and it won't put on a bunch of weight. So let's start with some orange juice, some freshly squeezed orange juice as the base. So this has minimal sugar, but there is a little bit, I must tell you, I eye everything, so there's about a cup there. Now, if I wanted to, I would squeeze the oranges and there would be no sugar at all except the natural sucrose that an orange includes. So now let's cut up this orange and add it right into the blender. So there's different ways to slice an orange, and sometimes I just cut it in fours and then just cut out the meat out of it. I love how I make a total mess when I'm making these videos. And actually, when I'm doing it myself, it's more like organized and non-messy. And I like clean up everything as I go. But so here we go. So I'm gonna, and actually you could squeeze out all the excess orange juice from what you didn't get. Okay. So there's so many different ways to cut an orange. So like I said, I just cut it in fours and then cut out the meat and cut off the orange peel. Although there are candies, chocolate covered orange peels, which is a very sinful food that we're not talking about today. Oops, and if you see anything brown, you don't have to kill the whole fruit unless you see the brown going through the fruit, but you could just cut that part off. Yeah, make sure you get it all. And get all the seeds out of there. Okay. Okay, so we're talking about cutting out heavy processed foods like carbohydrates that are non-fruit and non-vegetable, like pasta and rice, and also sugars like cakes, ice cream, candy. So these are all natural sugars. So luckily you're basically beating the process down by eating natural. So now we're gonna add in blueberries, and I did maybe about 25 blueberries there. So we're just gonna add that into the blender. And like I said, there is a little bit of sugar in this, but it's not like eating like a whole pie or something, you know, for breakfast. So you're already doing well. And now, sometimes I don't add dairy. I just make fruit and slush. But today I do want to add a little bit of plain yogurt. So this yogurt has 0 sugar in it. It's got a few vitamins and live active cultures, which that's what yogurt is. Also, it has a little bit of milk. So as we go on with this challenge of eating healthy, and I will give you the title of the challenge in the next video. I'll do a live video about it. But today I just wanted to concentrate on what's in your blender and this healthy breakfast smoothie. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the yogurt. And I want it to be a little cold because I have some errands to run. So I'm gonna go ahead and And it's very hot outside. It's literally like a steam bath outside. So I'm going to add about a half a tray of ice because I want to cool down my body because I'm just about to head out the door pretty soon. So I'm going to get my nutrients from the fruit and feed my body instead of going out into the world with nothing, because then you're starving yourself and you need energy to go on with your day. Okay. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of honey, sweetheart. Let's do just about maybe a tablespoon of honey. That was maybe about a tablespoon. So if you're really interested in losing weight, feeling better, and finding out all of your energy levels that you didn't know you had, because processed sugar actually depletes your true energy. So if you're really into losing weight, even if you're 100 pounds overweight, 200 pounds overweight, or just a few pounds overweight, then this is for you, and I'm here for you, and we're going to do this together. So thank you so much. Let's blend this up. Thank you. Let's get a great glass here, a nice pretty glass. All right. Okay. Thank you. So if you came into this video late, I have a little bit of freshly squeezed orange juice. I have an orange, blueberries, some ice, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. And the reason I use plain is because it doesn't have any added sugary fruits, because those are all like some real fruit, but mainly they have processed sugar. Okay, and then I put some ice, like I said, and some honey. Great. So let's blend it up and let's have this delicious, healthy energy drink. First, I'm going to crush the ice. And now put it on blend, on high. Okay, I heard a little bit of ice. I don't want any chunks of ice, so let me put it on low for a minute. And we'll grab a straw. How about yellow today? Does yellow match me? No, but that's okay. All right. Let's bring it back over here, actually. Great. Thank you for your patience. I'm my own camera person, so maybe one day that'll change. I've had camera people before, but right now I'm my own, so thank you. Here we go. Oh my God, that looks so good. Jeez. I didn't even expect it to be so beautiful. It totally looks professional, like you would get at a smoothie store. Wow. Wow, how cute. And it totally matches my little jumper. Oh my gosh, how nice. So here we go. And here's to life and to you. Wow. Whoa, that is going to give me so much energy. Thank you. I wanted to thank you for following my page. I have so many new wonderful people here on my page at Corin Virtual Coach on Facebook, and I also upload videos to YouTube and TikTok. Thank you for the stars. Thank you very much for your continued support in my subscriptions group. I love you. I hope that if you're willing to want to improve your overall health, not just lose weight, then you'll join in on my challenge. And I'm going to actually hashtag the name of the challenge, which is it's a modified diet, and I'm going to tell you the name of it in the description because I'm still tossing around like the name, but this is a challenge. You're welcome to join. Please put in the comments if you are here and ready to change your life for the better by treating yourself to some of your favorite foods also that are good for you and that will benefit your bloodstream and your body. Thank you so much. Let's do this together. Today is the first day, and I'm going to be checking in, and we're going to be supporting each other all along the way. And then maybe some of you can put in the comments that you're joining, and along the way put in the comments how much weight you've lost or how much better you feel. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.